welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to spend the day with me in the garden and in the kitchen preserving what we harvest? If you like that kind of thing, stick with me through this video because we're gonna go harvest what is ripe in the garden. We're gonna take it back up and we are going to process it as fresh as you could process any type of vegetable that you grow yourself or, purchase. So let's jump right into the garden and see what's growing and what we need to get out of it. You guys, look at this. This is a cherry tomato. This is a cherry tomato. Look how big that is. And I know my plants are looking really rough. This heat has taken a big toll on my garden, and we are just so blessed and fortunate to be able to be harvesting what we're getting at this point. So this whole bowl is going to be full. We've got tons of them just hanging in here. All right, and I still have one more plant to go yet, and you can see that there's still ripe ones in here to harvest. So we're doing pretty good. These are some of our Romas. And I know our plants are dying. They look really bad. We finally got a little bit of rain and it knocked, the wind that came with it knocked the plants over, which it happens. They're still producing. These are some of the candied onions here that we picked, and we're gonna turn these into caramelized onion jam. We only need 4 pounds for one recipe. I'm hoping to double that. And my daughter is working on the cherry tomatoes that we picked. We are slicing these in half. Then we are placing them on our dehydrator tray and sprinkling them with Italian seasoning. Those will get dehydrated and then stored for over the winter. you.